So this is what the taillight looks like right here. And this is the stock taillight. And then just this black part here. So yeah, let me just walk you guys through the process of how to remove it and install it. So first thing you gotta do is this cover comes off. This cover comes off. So there's a little screw right there. You should see it right there. There's a little screw. You take that off, and then this whole cover pops off, and then this pops off too, and then there's screws behind it. So I'll set you guys up on a tripod and show you how it's done. All right, guys. So use a plastic tool. I use plastic tools because it does not scratch. You know, and then I gently take off this piece. Yep, it just has like little tabs. And there's two screws right here. All right. Take off the top screw right here in the top corner. And then just slowly just pop this piece out. There you go. It's kind of tight here, so gotta play with it a little bit to take it all the way out. There you go. Same, it just has those clips to pop in. There's 3 screws right here behind, so take all those out. So now that all the screws are unscrewed, take out the taillight first. Just gotta be gentle with it. And then here actually. So unplug the plug and then unscrew the reverse light, the bulb. Plug it there. And then also remove this. It just has like these little plastic kind of like screw type, bolt type things with threads. And it just kind of like holds it in there. So here's the taillight. So pretty much it's all one piece. It has these little bolts that go back into those clips, and then the 5 screws. And then right here actually there's a different plug. This plug right here does not fit. There's actually a plug underneath the bumper, the unplug. So this is kind of like an extension. So you have to actually feed the wire from the taillight down into the bumper behind, and then on the bottom you hook it up and then everything works. So I'm gonna install the taillight and then I'll show you guys where that plug is located. Okay, so this right here on the taillight, I'm actually gonna feed it right there through the hole. There you go. And I'm going to carefully install the light. Alright guys, so I'm under the car right now. I pulled down the plug so you guys can see this is the right plug. So this little red safety, you gotta kind of like move it down. So you actually press the clip to move it. And then it's all dirty here, so there's probably sand in here, so it's actually kind of tough to move it. Oh, this one's actually easier. Wipe everything down. I like when everything's clean, so I wipe down the plug before I plug in another one. Now, I ran the wires from the taillight down here, so I'm just gonna plug it in. That part is pretty easy, so just plug it in, and then the wire is just gonna hang there. Make sure make sure it clips in all the way. All right, so the wire is up. So this is where it's at right there. That's the plug right here. So just plug it in, and that's it. So taillights are all installed. Check it out. That looks pretty awesome. Makes it look like an Escalade, you know. But let's show you how it's done. So I got the remote right here. Press unlock. See that nice, like taillight. The whole thing is just all lit up, and then the reverse light right there, and the turn signal right there. So let's do it again. In the night, it's gonna look a lot better, but man, the LEDs in this thing, they look pretty sweet, pretty awesome. It changes the look. So there you have it. If you guys want to change your taillights on the Yukon XL GMC, this is a pretty quick and easy tutorial how to do it. It's pretty easy. You just those plastics are kind of tight, so you have to kind of play with those, and then the plastic behind the shock is kind of tight to put it back in as well. So just gotta spend some time to do it. But alright guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, put a thumbs up in the bottom, and I'm going to be doing the grill next on this Yukon, so I'll show you how that is done. So alright guys, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.